Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia and welcome to Burundi. So we came to visit this place called Amashute in Burundi. Yeah, we are in Rutana. It's where we spend the night. I'm going to show you guys how does the place look like. And now we are going to the place, yeah, that we are supposed to go. So let's go, guys. If you have never seen how does pineapple grow like, this is like a pineapple plantation, and this is just amazing. I used to think like pineapple grow like on a tree, but this is how like they do grow. Come and see how they look like. Just come. This is like the pineapple plantation, how they do grow like. I used to think like they grow on a tree, but no. This is like small, like the smallest stage, and then they grow like this. Yeah. Yes, and then they move to this stage. You see? Yeah, this is how like they grow, and then you have the bigger ones like this one. So if you never used to know how the pineapple grow like, this is a pineapple plantation, and this is how they grow like. So yeah. So guys, this is what we had for breakfast, and the juice, guys, it's pineapple juice from they get the pineapple from their plantation, and it's purely pineapple, just natural juice. It's so nice, it tastes so, oh, it was really nice. And the pineapple that we had, it was just straight from the farm, so you can imagine the taste, how fresh it was. This breakfast was amazing.
Cheek. Here you go.
Was great. We are full. Done with breakfast. Now let's go to the place that we really came to see. But first you have to have like a nature walk, where you just walk to the place that we were staying, and the place that we are going. It was like a 10-20 minute distance, walking distance. Yes, but it was a nice nature walk, and it was kind of exercising. Yeah, it was fun. Walking, stopping, learning about trees. checking places, saying hi to people. So it was really nice. It was a nice walk. Yeah, we had fun walking as we go to see the place. But here guys, the view was really amazing. The view was nice. This camera is not doing justice to this place. Oh,
ujya ni mwaro hamwe twarenganye n'amabuye zikare ziza rero zikamanuka zigahurira hajya imbere ahitwa kuri Karera na Karera Distano cyose
aho rero zimanuka niho haba ari nyinshi rero
turahabona.
Guys, this place was beautiful. Like, the camera is not even doing justice to this place. Like, it was just amazing to watch, like, live. It's really amazing and beautiful. Oh, a quick room tour of the place that we are staying. I guess this is the only hotel which is near the place. Yes, others I guess they are really far. A quick room tour. It was a comfortable room. It was okay. Yes, we had fun, and this is what we had for dinner here. They serve a lot of food. They really serve a lot of food at a very affordable price. Iko? This one nani? Bureti.
About this